Another type of functional interface we have in Java is the predicate interface, which is extremely useful. It has tons of applications in the real world. We use this interface to filter data. I will show you how to do that in the next section. So over here, you can see that this interface has a single abstract method called test. We give it an object of type t and get a Boolean. So with this method, we can check to see if this object satisfies some criteria. For example, we can give it a customer object and check to see if that customer has a balance. This is how we use this interface for filtering data. Now, just like the other interfaces, we have a few specializations of this interface. For example, we have byPredicate, which takes 2 arguments and returns a Boolean. Take a look. So here's a test method. It has 2 arguments of type t and u, and it returns a Boolean. We also have primitive specializations of this interface. For example, we have int predicate, which takes a primitive integer and returns a Boolean. We also have long predicate and double predicate. Now let me show you how to work with the predicate interface in Java. Let's say we have a string like sky, and we want to check to see if this string has more than 5 characters. So we declare a predicate of string, call it is longer than 5, and set it to a lambda expression like this. str goes to str.length is greater than 5. Once again, we don't have a return keyword. We don't have curly braces either. All we have is a Boolean expression because we should return a Boolean value. Now, to use this predicate, we call is longer than 5 dot test. We give it our input like sky and then get the result. Next, I'm going to show you how to combine predicates to build more complex predicates.